Good morning, dear students. Today we will start a new chapter, Lesson 6, File Management. So I would request you all to kindly open page number 68. Now, first of all, I would like to explain you what is a file. Now, as on the screen, you can see so many icons, right? So what are all these? What are all these? These are all file. So what is a file? File is basically a collection of information. File is what? A collection of information. Now let me show it to you. Let's say this is a particular file. This is a file, half yearly syllabus. You can see on your screen. If I'll double click on it, it will get open. Okay. Now, what is it? What does it show? It shows the syllabus of half-yearly exam. Okay. What is it showing? It is showing the syllabus of half-yearly exam of class 4 for the session 2020 and 21. And you can see all the different subjects syllabus. So, what is a file? File is a collection of information. This is all the information regarding half-yearly syllabus 2020-2021. So what is a file? File is a collection of information. Okay. In a computer, the information is stored in a file. Okay. So this is a computer. You can see the screen, and in every file, what is there? The collection of information, where each file is characterized by a unique file name. And every file, you can see a file name, like it is showing Unit Test 2 2021, Syllabus of Annual Exam 2020, Class 5 Answer Key Revision Test. So this is what? This is a unique file name. Every file name is different from the another one. Why? The file name is different so that we can identify. If I see Unit Test 2 2021, so it shows that this file contains the syllabus of Unit Test 2. If I see this one, Class 4 Answer Key Revision Test 1. So this shows that this is the answer key of Revision Test 1 for which class? 4. So I don't need to find here and there. Okay, I don't have to open each and every file to look of the information. What I need to do is simply I can double click on it and the file will get open. Why? Because it is showing a unique file name that gives an idea about its content. And file name, what does the file name shows? File name suggests that what content, what information is there in this particular file. All the related files are then stored in a folder. Now, folder, you can see on the screen there are so many folders. Class 2 videos, class 3 videos. Now, let me open class 3 videos. This is the folder. Now, in this folder, you can see these are the videos of all the chapters belonging to which class? Only class 3. I have not kept any other video of class 4 or 3 or 2 or 1. Why? Because then I will get confused. So, it is better that in a folder, this particular folder, class 3 videos folder, the files are only of class 3 only. Okay. All the related files are then stored in a folder which is like a cabinet. So what is a folder? Folder is like a cabinet. Okay. Folder is like a cabinet where all the related files are stored or are kept in that particular folder. Folder organize the huge number of files present in a computer. Now you can see there are so many different files and they all are kept in one folder, class 3 videos. Okay. This makes it easy for anyone to locate and access the files stored in it. Now since it is on the desktop, so you can very well easy. Class 2 videos, that means all the files are related to class 2 only. Class 3 videos means all the videos are of class 3 only. Class 4 videos means all the videos are of class 4. Movies, that means in this particular folders, only movies are there. Neeti, I have also created one folder of my name in which shows that this particular folder contains only my data, my information. Okay, so the folder tells you that the file, what type of file is kept in that particular folder. Like a file, a folder is also given a specific name. Now you can see all the folders have the specific name. Movies, that means only movies are kept. Neeti, that means all the files which belong to Neeti only. Here, all the files belong to here. Games, only games are kept in this particular folder. We cannot create two folders with the same name. Now you can see on the desktop right now, all the folders name are of different names. Okay, why different names? Because if the name is same, first of all, it won't be created. The same name folder cannot be created. And why it will not be created? Because you will be confused. The user will be confused. That is why the two folders have different names. We cannot create two folders with the same name at the same location. Same location. Let me give you an example. This is the location, desktop. Okay. Now I have already created one folder with the movies name. Now let me create another folder with the same name. Movies. Enter. See, it is already asking confirm folder replace. This destination already contains a folder named movies. What is the destination? Destination is the desktop. The place, the location is the desktop. So it is asking that you have already created a folder by the name movies and you want to create another folder by the same name. Yes or no? So I will say no. I don't want to create another folder with the same name because I will get confused. But what I can do is, yes, in different locations, the same folder can be created. Let me give you an example. Like on the desktop, I have created a folder by the name movies. Now let me give you one more idea. Now in C column, I want to create a folder with the name movies. Let's see, can I create? Yes, I can, because the location is different. Okay, the location is different. So you can create two folders with the same name at different locations, but you cannot create two folders with the same name at the same location. All right. So I hope it's clear right now. A folder may contain another folder as well. A folder within a folder is called a subfolder. Now you can see there is already a folder class 3 videos. Okay. Alright. Now I want to create another folder inside a folder. So can I create? Yes, I can. And it will be considered as subfolder. What it will be considered as? It will be considered as subfolder. Subfolder means a part of that particular main folder. A part of the main folder. Now, Windows Explorer. What is Windows Explorer? Windows Explorer is a file manager. What is a Windows Explorer? Windows Explorer is a file manager application that provides detailed information about files, folders and drives. Okay, now let me show you Windows Explorer. Okay. Windows. Let me search because I don't think that I have this. Windows, yes, I have. This is Windows Explorer. Now, this is Windows Explorer screen. Windows Explorer is a file manager application. It is a file manager application that provides detailed information about files, folders and drives. Now here you can see there are so many different drives. Local C disk column, D colon, E colon, then you have DVD colon, then you have G colon. Okay. Now in this, all these colons, you can see different folders, and inside every folders there is again folder or the subfolder. So what we get information? We get a detailed information about each and every folder and its locations. Okay. It enables you to access, edit, manage and organize your files and folders. So on this particular screen, what you can do? You can access means you can get your files and folders, you can edit, you can make changes in that, you can also manage it, and you can also organize your files and folders. You can use it to view, create, delete, copy, move, rename, search files and folders. In the Windows Explorer, what all you can do? You can create a folder, you can delete a folder, you can copy the folder, you can move the folder, you can rename the folder and various other things. Now let me teach you how to create a folder. The steps is very simple. Okay, what you need to do is simply first of all put your mouse pointer on the desktop. Now right click on the desktop. When you right click on the desktop, you will see different options. Now go to the new option. Okay, and in the new option click on folder. You can see on your screen a new folder has been created. Now it's already new folder, it is highlighted. Press the delete button and type the name. Let's say I have written computer. So what is the name of this particular folder? The name of this particular folder is computer. Very simple and very easy. This is a very simple step to create a folder on the desktop. Okay. Now next is how to create a file. Okay, how to create a file. We have already studied Microsoft Word, and if you remember, I have already taught you how to create a file in MS Word. Okay, you can create file in different application software. I hope you remember I have taught you what is an application software. An application software is what? An application software is a software in which you can create a particular type of file. So MS Word is what? It is an application software. Okay. So how to create a file in MS Word? Click on Start button. Go to Microsoft Word 2010. Blank page has opened. So this is how you have create a file. Now you want to save this file in this particular folder. Okay, you want that Microsoft Word file should be saved on this particular folder. Where this particular folder is created? It is created on the desktop. The steps are very simple. Go to the file option. Okay, go to the file option, click on it, click on save as. You can see a save as dialog box has opened. Now you can see over here organize option. In this, select desktop. Why I'm asking you to select desktop? Because that particular folder, computer folder, is created on the desktop. Okay, so now here search computer folder. This is computer folder, but it is a system folder. You can see. Okay, it is a system folder created for system, created for computer. This is computer folder which you have created. So double click on it and now type the name. Let's say I will type class 3. This is the file name which I have typed and click on save. Okay. Now let me check whether this file is created in the computer folder or not. Double click on computer folder. You can see this particular file is here.